Today I want to walk you through something I've been testing recently. Most people associate crypto mining with complex setups, expensive hardware, and a lot of technical barriers. And to be fair, that's usually true. But there are alternative solutions that simplify the process quite a bit. One of them is cloud mining, where the infrastructure is handled remotely and you're essentially just accessing it through a platform. I decided to take a closer look at how this works in practice using HashCluster. In this video, I'll show you the entire process step by step, so you can see exactly how it works. So once you're inside, the first thing you'll notice, there are quite a few coins available. You're not locked into one option. You've got flexibility here. For this test, I'm going with XRP. Fast, popular, and easy to work with. Next step, choosing the mining plan. Now this part actually matters. You'll see different speed options, and each one has a slightly different service fee. 1x speed, 8%, 2.5x, 9%, 6x, 10%, 14x, 11%. So yeah, the faster the process, the higher the fee. Personally, I like the balance on the 6x plan, that's the 10% fee. It's not the cheapest, but it's the most comfortable in terms of speed and results, so I select that. And now, I hit start. Important note here, don't close the window and don't switch tabs while it's running. If you leave the page, the process can stop, so just keep it open and let it do its thing. Now we wait. Usually it takes around 5 to 6 minutes, sometimes a bit longer depending on the load. Alright, it's been a few minutes, let's take a look. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to show you. We're sitting at around $1,200 worth already. And this is all from the phone. No hardware, no setup. So I'm going to stop it right here. Now the next step is withdrawal. The platform asks for your wallet address. I'm using Trust Wallet on my phone. So I open it, go to my coins, find XRP, and copy the wallet address. Then I come back here, paste the address, and continue. Now before the transfer is completed, there's a service fee for using the platform's computing power. You've got multiple payment options here. Personally, I recommend connecting your wallet through WalletConnect. It's just faster and more convenient. But if you prefer manual, that works too. I'm going to pay using USDT on the TRC20 network. So I select it, copy the address, then I go back to Trust Wallet, open USDT, hit send, paste the address, and here, make sure you copy the exact amount from the platform and paste it as well. Send. Done. Now I just confirm the transaction on the platform, and we wait a little bit for the network confirmation. This part is normal, just standard blockchain processing. The fee here is relatively small considering you're using external computing power, and if you want to optimize even more, you can always choose a lower fee plan earlier. I just went with what feels most efficient for me. Alright, this should be done now. Let's check the wallet. Going back into Trust Wallet, refreshing, and there it is. The XRP is in. So yeah, that's the full process. Took about 5-6 minutes total. No hardware, no complicated setup, just a phone and a few tabs. Now obviously, like with anything in crypto, you should always test things yourself and see what works best for you. But as a tool, this is actually pretty interesting, especially considering you've got different coins, different plans, and you can adjust everything based on your own strategy. Honestly, platforms like this are kind of a hidden gem if you know how to use them. Simple, flexible, and surprisingly fast. If you found this useful, go ahead, check it out yourself, test it, see how it works for you. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll keep sharing what actually works. See you in the next one.